tech companies right now, valuations on the stock market, but they don't make any sense.
No,
Nobody's making any money.
they're going down. These guys
Nobody's
are
making
going
any
down.
So let's talk about something here, okay?
Have
Right
we
now in
not
the
been
stock market,
talking about something already?
this is something else.
Oh, okay. Let's change
So
topics. Yeah.
there, where this comes from, okay, is recently Zillow acquired a company called Follow Up Boss. Follow Up Boss is our CRM that we use and a lot of real estate people use. It's got to be the biggest one in North America. Zillow, being the real estate company that they are, failed miserably with their iBuyer type of transactions where they basically just bought people's houses and they lost like $500 million. And then now they've bought Follow Up Boss, a tech company that has a CRM.
Hmm.
Do you know about this, Darryl?
No, I
Give
do
me your
not.
best guess what they paid based on a
$8
bunch of
billion.
agents. Okay, a bunch of real estate agents. How many are there? There's 2 million in
Toronto.
America. There's
Oh,
200,000 in Canada, something like that. Okay.
okay.
All right. Go. How much
It,
did they pay for that
I
company?
guessed already. 8 billion.
It's not 8 billion, but
Two
they paid
billion.
$400 million
That's
for
it.
this. Come on. Anybody who, like, if you started up
Just
a
a
CRM,
CRM.
it first of all, it started in your basement. Then eventually maybe you got an office space and now you're selling for $400 million to Zillow.
Yeah, it's
What a
pretty
jackpot
good
those guys hit.
for sure.
Do you think they have $400 million worth of value in their business?
I
Absolutely not.
strongly. Well, I don't know. I don't know what the hell
Absolutely.
they do, but
Absolutely not. And so where this
isn't the
comes from,
data that they have worth eight
no,
billion
it's
dollars
our,
these days?
no, that's like, you can't like take the real estate agents, clients, but
Okay.
regardless, listen,
What the hell are we talking about?
tech companies right now, valuations on the stock market.
They're starting to get hammered, aren't they?
They don't, but they don't make any sense.
No,
Nobody's making any money.
they're going down. These guys
Nobody's
are
making
going
any money.
down
So all
soon.
these people, people right now are so fixated on, like, tech companies and how much their valuations are and, this tech boom and where they think prices are going and everything else like that. These companies aren't worth anything. These companies are they're not profitable. They just keep on using their investors' money. They keep burning through that each time it comes up. They're trying to raise more money and diluting their shares and trying to be able to get more and more investors to pile in on the debt cycle. There's a lot of tech companies that are going to go belly up. Case in point, WeWork, right?
We were
$46
gone
billion
again.
company, right?
46 my balls, man. That was
That's what I'm
never worth $46 billion ever,
ever.
except on a napkin in what's his
Okay.
name?
In
Chucky
Starbucks.
son. What's his name? Whatever son. The
Look,
guy who runs it.
yeah.
What's his name?
These it doesn't matter because the bottom line is this is exactly how all these bubbles go, and the tech bubble is no different, right? And so the point I'm trying to make
Is
here
this
is
another tech bubble?
everybody's got all these big ideas about the bond market and the stock market and all that kind of stuff. There's so many other factors that are going to be coming into play that will determine the path, and trying to guess what the heck is going to happen
Yeah.
is
It's the biggest
a fool's game.
whack-a-mole game ever.
It makes no sense.
It's
And if you're still
crazy.
doing it with such certainty, you're driving yourself crazy, right?
Well, what is happening as a result of all these interest rate raises, which I don't know. I mean, I think people that really do understand economics understand that the bonds kind of lead the way on things. I don't profess to understand it myself. I think it's kind of dumb, but
Yeah.
me thinking it's
That's
dumb
like
has
saying
no bearing on anything.
this is like, okay, this is like saying this, okay? When it rains, the clouds come first.
It's gonna get wet.
Listen, every time it rains, I see clouds. Guys, there's clouds here. High probability of rain. Like, it makes no sense. Sorry, I'm getting excited here.
I don't know what the hell you're talking about, but
Well,
what
bottom line is, yeah, of course, if the bond rates are going up, then there's going to be an increase in the fixed rate terms because people are going to expect higher returns in order to be able to invest.
right.
But as soon as the bond rates go down, then they'll say, well, fixed rates are going to go down again. So yeah, the one is a precursor to the other, but it's not like it's going to predict the long-term cycle every single time. Maybe over 20, 30 years, they look at the data and they say, well, see how it predicted it. But that's not what we're talking about. We're talking about, you know, what's going to happen over the next 12 months.
Like, comment, and subscribe if you got anything from one of these clips. And if you want to see some more, press something on the screen here. Boom.
That was good.
That was good. I like that. That was good.